Hey there, YouTuber. So in this video, we're going to replace the CPU. Now, I have another video that shows you how to open the case, how to get the front off. You may not need to do that. I just did it to make it easier for the camera view. That also shows you how to remove this part as well, or at least get it out of the way. So, you know, when you first look at this, you may think, oh, I need to loosen up these screws to get the fan out. But truth is, just working this thing around, eventually it'll pop off, okay? I think grabbing these tabs over on the side, somehow it will pop out. At least I was able to get it to do it before. Yes, you don't need to take the fan blade out, which yours truly actually tried that the first time. So now that we're here, folks, looks like a number 2 or a actually no, this is a flathead. Let me go grab a flathead. Yeah, most manufacturers use a Phillips head. This is kind of surprising. So, yeah, in this video, I am replacing the CPU. And one other thing to note, before you take that plastic thing off, you have to remove this cable over here, okay? You see it missing in mine, but we've had to reshoot this a couple times, so just realizing that that component got missed on the reboot of it. But I think you'll notice it on your plastic fan cover there. All right, so disconnect the fan here, folks, and voila. So we're going to wipe this off, wipe the CPU off, and then pull it out of there. All right, so there's our CPU. Now, notice the orientation, okay? The N is towards the lever, okay? Lever arm. And so that's what we're going to pull out. Now, this motherboard has actually been pretty impressive in some aspects. One, the fact that we can get 4 sticks of RAM in here, which is nice. 2 M.2 SSDs. We also had the ability to bring in another SSD, a 2.5 inch. Weaknesses of this, of course, graphics card wise, kind of difficult to really do any great gaming on this. And now that I'm going to replace this with 3200G, it's going to be a little worse, right? But 3400G will go to good use. So lever arm, pop that up and away. That releases the CPU, all right? And 2 hands is better than 1, like I did, but all right. Just be gentle with those. Now, we're bringing the 3200G in. So I honestly don't know what other CPUs are compatible with this. This one most likely is. There are some motherboards by AMD 500 series that are actually not compatible with these 2 CPUs. All the other 3000s they are, but not this one. Alright, so it looks like it's seated. And now we can drop this back down and in. And voila, okay? Thermal paste comes next. I'm choosing to use this Arctic MX4. And that's actually a little bit more probably than I would want, but we'll see. Now, we put the CPU code back in place. So one of the things I really love about this desktop is its size, small form factor, and I can actually use this on my TV stand that I have. I have a portable TV stand that rolls around with a 60-inch TV on it. So no matter where that thing goes, this can go with it, and we can basically have access to the internet. Not that I would really game on this setup, but that ability is there as well. So we're just working these in. We don't want to over tighten one too much. You're just trying to get a few threads on it the first time. Get them all lined up, and then we can come in and crank these down. And I'll show you how to put all this crap back together again. So, I'm trying to think of what the power supply was in this. I think it was only like a 190 watt, 200 watt. So really, even with a PCIe extender ribbon, can't really do a whole lot for gaming, which is unfortunate. Alright, so that's in, folks. Next, we'll put the plastic piece back in. And hopefully it'll snap back in without too much trouble. There we go. We got to feed this cable back through here. Sorry, I'm bumping the camera. These gooseneck things are nice, except for that mere fact. And the tab right here is on this side, okay? Boom, that's in. So we're good there, folks. Now we're going to bring the tray back in. Let's see here. This isn't the easiest thing to do to get this perfect, but gotta work it a little, get in these slots. Once you do that, it's not snapping on the other side. Which tells me we probably don't have it in right. Or I have since damaged it. Alright, so it's locked in. Locked in. Now, this guy, be careful with these things. Check that. It's nice and flush. It is. And then our case, which I'm not going to completely put on, but line this up with the side slots. Okay. 1, 2, and then there's a third one right there. And then you push it forward. Okay. So I'm just going to leave mine like that. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.